else. I'm gonna do Mr. Breese. Derivatives! Hello, miserable excuses for societal rejects. I am Mr. Febreese. I am your new math teacher. In AP Calc, A, B, C, D, what?
Mr. Febreese, what's Mr. Breese?
You think so funny? Mr. Breese is gone. Who are you?
My name is Ben. I was a senior from last year, and I was expecting Mr. Breese to be teaching this class.
Can you not read the board? Mr. Breese retired. I'm the teacher now.
Well, you see, like, he usually tells us he's going to retire, but he always comes back.
Well, he actually retired this time. Now shut up and let me finish my introduction.
Rude.
Who are you?
I'm Cole, a senior from last year.
Detention! Wait a minute, how many seniors are there here from last year? Wait a minute, you're the kid who parked in 2 parking spots. One of them is mine.
Yeah, I didn't have a parking pass this year, so I decided to take up your spot.
You didn't even park straight.
I parked as straight as Kevin Spacey.
All right, that's it. Get out of my class. Get up. And stay out. Ugh. All right, class, let's. I'm having you move to AB Calc DCBA, where D stands for dummy. All right, class, let's get started. What you do?
Oh, just solving equations on my calculator for fun.
Fun? If anything goes on my class, it's not fun. What kind of calculator is that?
TI Inspires DX CAS.
You mean the cheater calculator?
It's allowed on the AP test.
We'll consider my class the ACT. Not in my class. From now on, you're going to be using this calculator alone.
How am I supposed to graph on this?
Like Mr. Breese used to graph, with his hands.
Rude.
Detention! Alright, class. Now that we're done with that mess of a morning, let's do some math problems.
Mr. Febreese, it's 5th period. We should have left 4th periods ago.
Don't talk back to me! Detention!
Rude.
You know what? You know what? Fine. Let's just do some math problems.
Oh, Mr. Febreese, since I'm the teacher's pet, is it okay if I solve the math problems?
What's that you got there?
It's my teacher's pet plaque that I'm very proud of.
Oh, well, I love it. Go stand in the corner. No one likes a teacher's pet. That corner. No, that one. Go to that one. Yeah, that one right over there, right where your famous Mr. Breese used to be. All right, Ethan. You gotta prove to me you can do some math without that cheaty calculator. Get up on the board, solve this math problem. Get up! I said get up. All right, you're ready. It's your turn to solve that problem.
So Mr. Febreese throws a marker at Brennan from 6 feet. Its height in feet at time t in seconds is given by the position function s equals negative 64t squared plus 32t plus 6. What is the acceleration of which Mr. F threw the marker? Find the critical points of s. Alright, so we find the acceleration by first finding the velocity, which is just the derivative of s. So you take the exponent, multiply it by the coefficient, so negative 128t and minus 1 plus 32, and then derivative of 6 is 0. And so then acceleration is found by the derivative of velocity, which is just negative 128. So the acceleration is just negative 128 feet per second squared. And then the critical points of s is when the velocity equals 0. So if we set this equal to 0, so negative 128 t plus 32 equals 0. T equals negative 32 over negative 128, which simplifies to 0.25 seconds.
Very good. Very good indeed, but not good enough for the AP test. If you want a 6, right? You want a 6? You gotta go faster if you want a 6 in the AP test.
But Mr. Febreese, doesn't the AP test only go up to 5?
You know what, Miss Slow? You're just laying yourself another detention.
That'll be my 4th detention.
And that's another one. Great, another problem.
Hey, I left my phone in here. Can I? Oh. So, can I get my phone?
Mr. Brennan, this is trespass.
No, Mr. Febreese, no.
You won't ever be able to park horribly again after I'm done with you. Get this out of here. Roll him over first. All the way over here. Bouncing Mr. Breeze's desk.
Mr. Febreese, you just...
Shut up, you get a detention.
What just happened?
None of your business. You stay in the corner. We got some math problems to do. All right, Ethan. Since you're the only legitimate student I have awake right now, you're gonna solve another math problem for me. You do it without your TD calculator. Again. Ready? All right. There's your new problem.
So Mr. Febreese doses Brennan with 1 liter of knockout drug. After 2 hours, there is 75% of the initial 1 liter of drug in his body. Find the rate at which the drug exponentially decays. Alright, well since it says exponentially, I'm going to use the formula A equals P times E to the RT, where A is the final amount, P is the principal amount, R is the rate, and T is time. Alright, and so it says it wants 75% of the initial 1 liter, so we'll just do 0.75 times P equals P times E to the RT. Divide both sides by P, we get 0.75 equals E to the RT. And then RT, using the definition of logarithms, we'll use the natural log of 0.75. So T is 2. So 2R equals natural log of 0.75. And so R equals the natural log of 0.75 over 2. Approximately equal to negative 0.144. So it decreases by 14.4% every hour.
Very well done, Mr. Sheeb. Very well done. Something's off in here. Where's the junior?
Who?
Andy Russell.
Ah, man! I think you skipped today.
Not on my watch, not on the first day. Class, we're going on a field trip. Let's go to my car.
Mr. Febreese, my mom says that I shouldn't go with old men in white vans.
Well, good thing I don't drive a white van, because you just got another detention. Come on, class, let's go.
The whole Spider-Man thing, you know, him being with Barry Allen. What Barry Allen isn't even in the Marvel Universe. I'm glad your calculator got thrown away. Okay? Field trip!
No talking on this field trip.
Rude.
Detention.
Aww.
We're gonna go get that Andy kid and he's gonna solve this math problem. trip! Field trip! Field trip! No knocking on this field trip.
Rude.
Detention. Let's go find that Andy.
Aye, aye, Captain! Aye, aye, Captain! Ooh! SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants! Who are you?
I'm Mr. Febreese, your ABCD Calc teacher. You should be at school.
Shouldn't you be in school?
My man!
You can't give me a detention. I'm sitting in my own house.
My man! You know what? You go sit in the corner, you good for nothing teacher's pet.
Which corner?
That one. Alright, Mr. Russell. As punishment for you disrespecting me, you have to solve this math problem. There. Try and solve that.
When Mr. Febreese knocks over Andy's cereal, it creates a curve with the function f of x equals negative x squared plus 6. Find the area underneath the curve. It's easy, it's 4 root 6.
What? You didn't even solve the problem.
That's easy, I didn't even need Ethan's cheaty calculator. It's 4 root 6.
My man! Detention! Stay in your corner. Alright, Andy Russell. You better solve this problem or I'll do to you what I did to Brennan.
Alright, what did you do to Vernon?
Beat him up and drugged him.
Fine, I'll do your problem. Do your problem.
Do it.
Alright. First, we need to find the boundary. So it starts at t equals 0, but to find the other boundary, we need to find where it crosses the x-axis. So we'll set y equal to 0, move 6 to the other side, and we get that root 6 equals x. So we know our function is going to have boundaries from 0 to root 6. So we'll take the integral so we can find the area under the curve. Alright, now we can use our integration rules to figure out what the integral of this function is. And according to the first fundamental theorem of calculus, we'll just do f of b minus f of a. So we just plug in root 6, and then plug in 0. We'll get 0, subtract that. Alright, now to simplify. Alright, so now, this last step, some final simplification. We get 12 root 6 over 3. That simplifies to 4 root 6. There's your problem.
My man! Shut up, stay in your corner. And no, you were wrong. It's not 4 root 6.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. All my work's right here. You can see it.
And we're wrong.
No, he's right.
He's right.
He's definitely right.
No, you're wrong. It's not 4 root. It's not. I'm done with this.
What time is it?
136.
So you're telling me he quit before the end of the school day? The first school day?
Yeah, pretty much. Do you guys want to go to Panera and study with Mr. Breese?
Yeah! Let's go!
Let's go!
Turn it up!
Somebody save your soul, cause you've been sinning in the city. class to start.
Said I can make your hands clap.
Action!
Okay, just practice. Let's just practice our lines. Let's just sit here and talk. So I'm like, good grief. Wait. Wait a minute. You're the kid who parked in 2 open spots, one of which was mine.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing, Ben? There we go.
Didn't even park straight.
I parked as straight as Kevin Spacey.
That's about as straight as Kevin Spacey.
No, yeah.
That's about as straight. Okay. Alright, let's go.
Okay, well,
That's about
you didn't even park straight.
I parked as straight as Kevin Spacey.
All right, that's it. Get out of my way.
Alright, what did he do to Vernon?
Beat him up and drugged him.
Fine, I'll do your problem. Do your problem.
Do it.
Alright. First, we need to find the boundary. So it starts at t equals 0, but to find the other boundary, we need to find where it crosses.
3. Don't look at me. Okay. 3. Hey, so can I get my phone or? Oh, no.
Brandon!
What the heck?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I actually forgot the 4th time in a row. Oh my god. Okay. Do it again, because I was talking.
Isn't that rude, Mr.Febreese?
Wait, so how is this calculus?
No.
I have lots of things in my phone.
Yo, we can get really lazy with this.
Yeah.
Where Thanos chopped off Thor's head. It was f***ing about
Now what?
Why is this thing so great?
Detect!
Wait a minute, what's going on?
Yeah.